All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I hope y'all having a very great night rest. So, because I know many of you are still sleeping. So, so I hope you enjoyed our last class. So, the last class we discussed on engulfing candle, but today we'll be having a discussion around hammer candle. So I'm gonna draw up my listing and put it here so we can read together. Okay, so we are dealing with hammer candle. In other words, they call it pinbar. So it says the hammer candlestick is created when the open high and the close are roughly the same price. It is also characterized by a long lower shadow that indicates a bullish rejection from buyers and their intention to push the market higher. So let's see illustrations below. Little or no upper shadow. We have the little upper shadow here. Sorry, little or no upper shadow. Upper shadow. So there is no wick here. We don't have any wick, and we can have wick here. So closing price, the opening price. That's not your problem, and we have the wick here. So we have both the inverted hammer candle and we have the hammer candle. So let's go back. Let's just reset. The hammer is a reversal candlestick pattern when it occurs at the bottom of a down trend, or probably let me use the word at a key level of support or resistance. It has always been a reversal candlestick, which always happen either at a key level of support or resistance. So I believe that this time around you should understand what support is and what resistance is. All right, let's go down. So this candle form when sellers push the market lower after they open, but they get higher. So the market closes higher than the lowest price. So you see another example here. So you can see this now. This is the hammer candle. I remember you see on the norms the price is going down. When you get to the hammer candle, when you get to this place, they try to push it down, but the seller rejected it and pushed it back up. And immediately you can see that the price reverse and it begins to move up. All right, so let's go. Let's continue. So it says that as you can see, the market was trending down. The formation of the hammer pin bar was a significant reversal pattern. The long shadow represents the higher buying period from this point. Seller was trying to push the market lower. At that level, the buyer's power was more powerful than the selling pressure, which results in a trend reversal. The most important to understand is the psychology behind the formation of this pattern. If you can understand how and why it was created, you will be able to predict the market direction with higher accuracy. All right, so I think that we are done with this. Then let's go to our chat. Let's enter our chats. So I'm very sure you guys are learning something. So you can see that. Okay. All right. So here we are. Let's see how it goes. We are going for a and hammer candle now on our chart. So like I said, the first thing you must see is either a at an area of support or an area of resistance. Remember, the support area is the area below where the price gets to and it reverse. Why the resistance is an area above. Let's assume this area above is a resistance area. Come, let me draw it. Remember, I told you come to this brush, geometric shapes, expand it and click on rectangle. So we take this as our area of, let's assume this is our area of resistance, and below here is our area of support. Now take a look at something. Take a look at this. So this is a 30 minutes time frame. So I'm going to do this on different time frames so you can see that this is a powerful one. So now let me go. Let me continue. First you come to your. I'm coming to my zoom in um panel so that I can zoom this area. All right. Now, as you can see, you see that this is a hammer candle. It is they are selling. I mean, the price of this token is currently selling. So as it is selling, the sellers try to push it down. Now they are pushing it, pushing till it gets to this level. So they try to push it at this level and push it down. So they successfully push it to this area till it gets to around 65,000. Then what happened in the market? You can see the buyers, they push it back, and see immediately they push it. But look at these two powerful combinations. Look at these two powerful combinations in the market that give you high probability that this market is going for an uptrend. First, you see your hammer candle. First, we see the hammer candle. Then next, we can see this bullish engulfing candle. You can see these crazy combinations. First, you see this hammer candle, which signals a trend reversal. And the next, what do you see next? You see the long, the engulfing candle. Immediately you see this hammer candle, the nodes, immediately you see this hammer candle at a support or a resistance area, it signifies that the price is changing. The price direction is changing. But take a look at this higher setup. You can now see bullish engulfing candle. And the moment you see this bullish engulfing candle, let's see what happened next in the market. So the price goes from 65,000 now to 68,000. I don't know if you guys get this. You can see this now. It happened at an area of support and it's push it from 65 to 68,000. And here we are again trying to push it up again. I hope you guys get this. So when you understand all these things, now I gave another strategy. You see that the moment it breaks below our 50 EMA here, when the price breaks below the 50 EMA, you see that it begins to trend down. It tries to move up, then begins to trend down. It begins to touch it, go down, touch it, come down. You can see the power of this 50 EMA. It touched our 50 EMA, then push it down until we see a bullish engulfing candle here that is push it up, then it comes back, touch our EMA, then begin to move up. So what am I telling you is that my this setup that I give to you will make you very profitable in the market. You cannot go for this setup and at least you have 80% chance of making money in the market. Now let's go to the what happened. How do the price begins to come down? We are taking different candlesticks now. All right, so I'm gonna look for another um 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 candlestick pattern which is the same hammer candle, but we'll call this inverted hammer candle. So let's see what happened. I'm looking for that hammer candle. I've seen one, but this one is not yet hammer candle enough. It is kind of larger. So I want to try and make sure I'm taking a look at the inverted hammer candle. From all right, now I see this. So I'm going to expand it. Or is it? Sorry. This is it. So this is the hammer candle here. You can see the wick. The wick is touching. You can see the wick. The wick touch our what's this? The wick touch our resistance here. Let me take it back. Let me just try to expand it. Take a look at it. This is the candle. You can see the price is trying to trend up, trying to break through this resistance, but immediately it forms an inverted hammer candle around this level. Look at what happened next. The price tanked from 62,000 back to 59,000. I hope you guys have seen this. So what is this telling us? It's telling us that our candlesticks have this power to, just like I said the other time, the psychology behind this is that the buyers are trying to push it to break this resistance level, but they cannot break it, so it has to push it back again. And why the seller, when it get to this resistance level, what did the seller do? They push it down. Now take a look at our 50 EMA. It tries to break our 50 EMA here, but immediately we see this red candle coming down, and immediately it breaks below. Take a look at this. Let me try to expand again. You see this candle now, this, then it gets to this place, it creates another inverted hammer candle. But what happened here? It touched our EMA. The moment it touched our EMA, what happened to it? It tanked down. So your EMA is a very powerful, this 50 EMA is very powerful. So the moment it touched the 50 EMA, let's assume want to enter into the trade. The moment, let me go back to 15 minutes. Now I already said that you enter with 15 or 15 minutes or the ones with lower time frames. Sorry. Let me delete this. I said you either enter with 15 minutes or the ones with lower time. I want to see where I draw this thing. Alright, this is where I draw it. Alright, so I'm gonna expand now. So what am I saying? Okay, the EMA works according to time frames, but the moment it touched the EMA, okay, let me go back to that 13 because of my EMA. Let me go back to 13 because of my EMA. So you can also use your 30 minutes as your entry. Look at it. There we are. Alright, so when it breaks down and it touches the EMA here, good. So you can see the moment it gives us this inverted hammer candle. So the inverted hammer candle can either be red or green, any color. And you see that it comes back, it comes down, then it touched this EMA. And the moment you see that it touched this EMA, it cannot break through this EMA, and it closes below this EMA. What do you do next? You trade it down. Then when you want to trade it down, you have to do something. Check it. Where is the recent resistance level? This is the recent support level. So you have to go to your geometric shapes, expand it, click on rectangle, because you will always see previous candles where it got to previously. So if I'm to trade now, I will pick my trade from this place. Let me see. It's not important to me. You have a very long trade. All right. So I'm going to go for my short position, and I'm going to take it from this place to this place. To this place. All right. So I'm going to set my stop loss at around this place, which is a little bit above the recent high. But if you want to do something, you want to do a very tight stop loss, you make sure your stop loss is around the area of your okay, we are entering around this level, so just make sure your stop loss is here, because we are using EMA, we are using our EMA. So we get, there is a very tight stop loss between this place and this place. And remember, the moment it breaks and settles above your EMA, the setup is no more valid. Take a look at it now. The moment it comes down back, it breaks above the EMA, is settle, break above settle. You see that it invalidates it and it breaks above it. I hope you guys are getting it. So if you want to set this trade now, you want to set it to be to the upward direction. After touching this place now, you have to put it, go for a long position. So we have seen this is another hammer candle, but this is our position now. We are going to drop it around this level. Then we set our stop loss below. We set our stop loss below our recent this thing. The moment you set your stop loss, then you have to draw it. There are two things you can do. You can draw it, and whenever it gets to this place, you take your profit. But you see that when it gets to this level and it tries to get down, it did not really break below our EMA. It doesn't really break below this EMA. So the moment it doesn't break below this EMA, you take another long entry here. You take another long entry here, probably above your EMA, above the EMA, and you set your stop loss below your EMA. Then what do we do next? You push it up. I hope you guys are seeing this now. And the moment it breaks below just your resistance level, meant it's coming down and breaks below this resistance level, then you allow it to touch your EMA. And the moment it touches your EMA, we go for another short position. Where is our EMA? This place. It touches our EMA here. Then you put it above your support level, above your resistance level rather. Then what do we do? Where is our resistance level today? OD level will be by. You are going to push it through our position. It gets to that level. Take a look at it. It even breaks below the level. But let's assume we take our profit at this level. Look at this. So this is how you make money in the crypto space. This is how you make money. And see, the moment it touches this place and you see that it breaks above, you create another long position. And now if I want to create my own long position, if I want to do it based on my EMA, let me show you some strategies to long in this. Let me give you some strategies if I want to long it. Number one, it touch this level and it retraces back. Then when it retraces back, this is my support area. So it already broke this support area. Then the moment I see any form of this, something like this now. The moment it comes up, I may not trade it from this place to this place. So because I'm trying to get a quality trade, then you see that it creates a higher high. It comes up, it creates a high here. The moment we have a high, and I want to work with my moving average exponential, so I allow it to still go up. You see, it gives me a bullish engulfing candle, which is number one strategy from the one we had the other time. It gives a bullish engulfing candle here. That is number one. Number two, it settles above my EMA. So if I want to enter this long now, this long position, what do? I will click on this long position. The moment it settles above my EMA, I click this and bring my distance below my EMA. Let's assume around this level. Short to long. And a long I want to. So I'm going to delete this and go for the long position. So like I said, okay, I will not enter this trade around this level because it is now above my 50 EMA. And I will set my stop loss around this level. Still below my EMA. I set my stop loss around that level. Then I'm going to push it. Mostly, I will want to trade it to this level. Mostly, I will want to trade it to this level. But since this thing is not breaking above, okay, let's assume I'm going to trade to this level. And the moment I get to this level, I will get out of the trade. That's what I will do. The moment I get to this level, I'll get out of the trade. But how do I know that I can still stay in this trade? Why? Because it never break below my EMA. Are you seeing it now? It did not break below my EMA. Although it tries and break below the EMA around this level, but we are still having our support here. But on the norms, what I will do is that I'm going to stop here. I will get out of the trade here. So now, if I now see what happened here and I realize that it doesn't come down, it come up and touch my EMA, then it comes down, try to break it. The moment I see this bullish engulfing candle again, what do? I enter that trade again. Go for another long at this level. I'll go for another long here. Put my stop loss below my support level and look at it. Because we are still maintaining this. Look at it. We are still maintaining our EMA and it has not broken below the EMA. So it means I'm going to push it up onto this level, onto the next support area. Take a look at it. When you touch the support area here, you can see that it comes down, touch this level, it breaks below our but I would have taken my profit here, then get out of the market, then see what happened in the market. The moment I see that, I see another opportunity around this level. Look at another opportunity. It come and touch my EMA. Then what do I do again? I place my stop loss below my EMA, stop loss below EMA, and what do? I push it up to this level. I make another profit. Are you guys seeing this now? So see another opportunity here. It breaks, it's standing on the EMA. Then I pick another trade setup here below my EMA. I put my stop loss below my EMA and drop it off to my new resistant level. This is the resistant level. Then I may not get, but norms on the norms, me I will get out of this trade because the moment I hit my target, I'm out of that trade. Now, what happened here? You've seen that it touched this resistant level, it breaks below, try to break it. The moment I see this bullish engulfing candle and I see it below, I see that the price begins to trade below my EMA. So what do? I go for a short position. I put it exactly below my EMA because I want to short this now, and I place it around the level of resistance, above the resistance that I draw. Then what do? I draw it from that resistance, I draw it back to my former support area. So I'll make my profit from this level back to this level, and I get out of the market again until I see another reason, which is here. This bullish this, you can see this hammer candle now. This is another opportunity. The moment I see this hammer candle, I know this is another opportunity long. But if I want to follow my okay, so immediately I see my hammer candle here, what do? I wait for, on the norm, this hammer is a confirmation candle, and this my long, what's the name, my bullish engulfing candle is under confirmation. But if I want to enter this trade following my EMA rules, and I'm giving you two rules now to enter into the market. If I want to follow my EMA rules, I will enter at this level. But on the norm, since I already see my bullish engulfing candle, I will mostly enter around this level. Then I'll just put it this way, long, place it around this level. I may leave my short, I may leave it here. Then going straight for my previous support area. Look at this. It touched it now. Now the price has begun to tank down again. So what do? The price has not break below this. It has not broken below my EMA. So I'm not going to take any trade here. Unless I see that this price has broken below my EMA, I'm not taking any trade. I'm still currently on my bullish. The price is still maintaining the upward trend. So we can do something here. So pick up your trend line. Remember, your trend line must touch at least two of these things. So look at my trend line and I still work with my EMA. So it will come down, touch my EMA before it goes back up. Are you getting it now? But on the norms, the moment it touch this level, my instinct will tell me to short it. But now I don't want to short because we are still on a bullish, on an uptrend movement. So I'm not going to short this. I'm just going to leave it alone and see what happens. You see now, apart from this hammer candle I'm teaching you now, I've taught you a lot of things again that can help you make some money in the market. So I hope you guys enjoy this class and try as much as possible to study I've done my part. The rest is on you. Try as much as possible to do your part as well. The Lord bless every one of us in Jesus' name. Amen.